In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. First, open Facebook and log into the account that has the Marketplace restriction. Once you're in, open Marketplace and carefully read the message explaining why your access is limited. This is important because the exact reason will guide what you do next. After that, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, look for Account Status or the Support inbox. These sections usually show whether Facebook has flagged your account for a marketplace issue or a policy violation. Take a moment to review any alerts or notices so you understand what triggered the restriction. Next, review the reason for the restriction more closely. In some cases, the problem is tied to a specific listing. In others, it may be related to account activity or a broader marketplace policy issue. If Facebook removed a listing, open the notice attached to it and read it carefully so you know what needs to be corrected. If you see a request review or appeal option, select it and follow the instructions on screen. When submitting your appeal, keep your explanation brief and clear. Simply state that you believe the restriction may have been applied in error and that you would like Facebook to review it. If Facebook asks for additional information, such as identity verification, complete those steps only through Facebook's official system. Avoid using unofficial recovery websites or third-party services. Once your appeal is submitted, return to the support inbox regularly to check for updates. Facebook may send messages there about the restriction, the review process, or any action you still need to take. It's also a good idea to confirm that your account still meets Facebook's marketplace eligibility requirements. Sometimes restrictions happen when Facebook detects behavior that doesn't align with its policies, even if it wasn't intentional. If the issue involves one of your listings, review your recent posts. Remove or correct anything that may violate marketplace rules. Also, avoid reposting a removed listing over and over without fixing the original problem, since that can make the situation worse. You should also secure your account, especially if you noticed unusual activity. Change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and review your logged-in devices. If you see any unfamiliar sessions, remove them right away. After that, wait for Facebook's decision. Try not to send repeated appeals or create other accounts to work around the restriction, because that can delay or complicate the review. Once Facebook confirms the restriction has been removed, open Marketplace again and test whether access has been restored. You can check by browsing normally and, if appropriate, creating a compliant test listing. Finally, avoid scams. Don't pay anyone who promises to unlock Marketplace instantly, and never share your password, login codes, or recovery codes. Always use Facebook's official review and recovery options.